Hey there. So, thinking what we have made today, today we have made a touch alarm system with multiple outputs. So, whenever I'm placing my finger on this touch sensor, the red LED is blinking as well as the buzzer is giving us the alarm. And if there is no touch, the green LED here is turning on and it is on every time. So let us understand it in very simple way. So here, as we can see that we have connected the green LED and the red LED with two different pin in the Arduino here. So we have used pin number 12, pin number yeah pin number 12, 13, and 10. So this is, and also we have used pin number 2. So this is what we have used here. And now let us understand to make this, like we have made the same module, the same project, but in that the difference was we were not using the multiple outputs. We used only a single output, that is a LED and a buzzer. So in this project we have used multiple outputs. That is what make it advanced. So now let us see the circuit diagram of that, and we will make the connection accordingly. And after seeing the circuit diagram, we'll be directly going to the coding part. So let us see the circuit diagram as well as the coding part. Yeah, so as we have seen the circuit diagram and we know the connections, so now here we are going to learn the code. So this code is bit longer compared to what we have done till now. And now in this code, let us start from the starting. So here we are using 4 input pins, that is 4 digital pins which we are using. That is touch pin, which is pin number 2, and the green LED which is on all the time, that is pin number 10, and the red LED which will blink will be pin number 12, and the buzzer which is giving us alarm is connected at pin number 13, and the ground pin of 12 and 13 will be common because in the Arduino we cannot use more than 2 ground pins at once. So that is why we are using the common ground for red LED as well as the buzzer. So now let us set up our pin modes. So the touch pin here, the pin number 2, will be the input pin. So we are using one input with 3 output. That is why we call it as touch sensor alarm with multiple output. So what are the output is green pin, that is the green LED, and the red LED and the buzzer. So these 3 are the output. So what is green pin indicating us? That is the green LED is indicating that there is no touch, so everything is safe. And the red LED and the buzzer is indicating that there is something which is touching the sensor and the sensor is detected. So now by default, green LED, that is green pin, will be high. That means it will be on all the time, and the red LED and the buzzer will be low, and the communication rate of the sensor and the Arduino will be 9600. It will be increasing as we increase the number of connections and the capacity of the project. So we want to make it in a loop, right? So we'll be setting up the loop here. So touch state of the touch pin will be digitally readed. So that is what we have mentioned here. Now the serial print, which is will be giving us the output, will be from the touch state. So the main component here is the touch LED, and if the touch state, that is the touch is detected, then the green LED will turn off, and as well as the red LED will be turned on, and the buzzer will also be turned on. So here there is a twist. As we have seen that it was blinking and the buzzer was giving us the beep sound, right? So there was a delay in one on state to the next on state. So that delay is 250 millisecond. That is 2 millisecond. So with 2 millisecond, that LED and buzzer will be giving us the alarm, and the digital write, that is the red LED, will be low and buzzer will also be low. So for 2 millisecond it will be turning on, and for 2 millisecond it will be turning off when there is the touch state, that is when the sensor is sensing the touch. That time the LED will turn on for 2 millisecond and turn off for 2 millisecond. Else, that is no touch. If there is no touch, the green LED will be high, that is green LED will be on, and the red LED as well as the buzzer will be turned off. So this is what we are defining here. So now our code is ready, and let us verify this code. And if you need these codes and the circuit diagrams and everything about details about the project, you can check in the description. So where we'll verify this code, and we can see that there are no errors in our program. And I will select the communication port as well as the board, that is Arduino Uno, that is automatically selected. And in case you are not able to see that, then we can click on this and we can type our board name here and select the serial port, and we will just click on OK, and we will upload the code. And yeah, before uploading, it will be compiling the sketch and then it will upload. So after uploading, we can see that we have a serial monitor here, which will be giving us the outputs. So here 0 means there is no touch, and when I touch here, as we can see that it is turning to 1. So 1 means there is some touch like this, and if that is 0, then there is no touch in the sensor. So that is what we have defined. So let us see one more time. So as we can see that when I touch the sensor, the serial output here is giving us the output as 0, and when there is no touch, the serial output, when there is a touch, the serial output is 1, and when there is no touch, the serial output is 0. So that is how we define the code of the Arduino Uno, and we will monitor the serial monitor. And now let us see the output. As we have seen the circuit diagram and the code, and we have detailedly and briefly understood how the code will work. So now let us see the physical output, that is how exactly is our project working. So it is nothing different from the starting. Like when there is a touch here, the red LED is blinking with some delay, and the buzzer too is giving alarm with delay. So now the question is, where exactly are we using this project? So this is a small prototype, but we are using this in places where certain things are not meant to be touched. So there we will be using this as a security purpose. And this is how we make the touch alarm system with multiple output. And that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.